No.
Is Marley here?
Are you here? I put it in a D, thank you.
Can't see nothing, bro.
You really ain't do nothing but die.
Kaguya?
You put her in a D too.
Indeed.
Guess what, Kaguya?
What are we doing this based off though?
The character itself.
And your development and impact on the show. She's a good seat. Yeah, why Marley leave? Oh.
Yeah. Well, Marley left.
No, the screen wasn't loading. I guess, you know.
Put Haku at B. Haku.
Yeah, B.
Ain't no C.
Or
Say Kaguya.
wait, Kaguya is a good C?
For me,
Kaguya deserves a D, a hard D pause.
Marley, what about you?
Kaguya?
Yeah.
Is she a F?
I guess in the middle she's a D then.
I gave her the benefit of the doubt and gave her a D.
Alright, who's next?
Dog nigga.
I forgot his name.
Which one?
Dog
Yeah,
nigga.
he up there. He B2.
Kakashi's dog or
He's actually cool.
He's like a C or
Kakashi's
D.
dog?
He's on the same
B.
same tier as
B.
Haku.
I said C, a B. Like,
Yeah, C.
Never.
Put a C, I guess. Yeah.
Kiba?
Yeah, put a nigga a C too.
I
C.
say D, but okay.
He tried to be Hokage but failed, so he should be like a D or something.
That nigga Akamaru deserves a D.
Nah, Akamaru because like should be a C and Kiba should be a D.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
People would be anything without the dog, so.
Exactly. Akamaru do
His claim would be anything about the dog.
Hinata?
You go ahead and put her in C too for her.
Say A.
Yeah, don't put her at A. Actually put her B. Put her B. Put her B. Put her B.
B.
Kuruma?
Right, B.
Yeah, that nigga deserves a.
Kuruma?
Yeah.
He deserves a.
A.
Hey.
Yeah,
Okay. Shino?
a B, C, C,
B.
A, B, C.
Like, B?
Alright, put Shikamaru. Yeah, put Shikamaru at S.
That's S.
Down.
Yes.
S? Yeah.
Put him in C and put Shikamaru at S. Thank you.
Yeah.
Or S or S plus. Nigga really is a goat. Think about it.
He is though.
Real though.
Yeah, nigga.
It took him like a day to get revenge on his.
Well,
Yeah.
like he's still that nigga though. Like,
I mean, really think about it. Who do you know killing an immortal nigga?
Oji?
Choji?
It's like C.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, put fat nigga at B.
B?
Yes, sir.
He F.
When did we do die? How do
You know F. She's F.
Yes, sir. Put her F. Put her F. Put her F.
you B?
Rockley? Oh, C, right?
Yes, sir. C.
Rock's an A.
You say C?
Yeah, you get a C. Fuck.
How?
Me how?
Like, he can't really do much after
Who you
like
tripping?
Shibuya, but like
Like he cold. Like he actually like he.
I just look like shit with him though. He A.
You just put a B. No, you know A, B. You
we'll
put
give him like
a
best from that. We'll give him like B.
You got. I'll put him at high B, low A.
Yeah, yeah. Naruto get a S plus by default.
S plus. S plus right there.
Yeah.
10 to get an F, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Neji, he got a
S
whole.
plus.
And then you get a C, a B, C, B. One of
Like
those.
he can get like a B or like an A, you know.
With
You're
the
A.
Nigga Dato State get a B for real.
So B,
A.
A,
Yeah, A.
A,
A.
When he really died for the plot, you gotta give him an A at least.
I guess. Put her at E.
Yeah.
Put that nigga at C.
Asuma.
Oh,
That's
you
an
say
A.
B?
Is that Heroes?
Asuma's at A.
That's awesome.
And my what you say?
A.
That's an A.
He
For
is
me.
C.
You know,
C.
fucking A.
That's two C's or
I mean B.
My guy.
B.
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 Oh, I was talking about Azuma.
My guy.
Guys,
So
at
we're talking
least.
about Asuma.
That's about a B, I guess. I'll show you not to B, but what about my guy?
My guy, at least an A or S, one of those two.
I'll give him an S.
Yes, sir.
Or S plus.
A. Nah, he
He
not
not
S
S plus.
Nah.
He done an S plus.
Yes, sir.
Gara's like an A.
Gar like an AS, one of those two.
I give him an
I give him
Give him
S.
an S.
S. Alright, that's two S's.
That's my man's.
Shikaku.
Shukaku.
I
I
don't even care
don't even
about
know. Put him in like C.
I give a fuck about that nigga. Put him in C.
Tamari.
She's a
two for
C.
real.
She's a what?
She's a
C.
C.
Yes.
Why? Kaku's.
Yeah. Conqueror.
Oh,
Conqueror.
Conqueror.
What the fuck you call him? Kakazu.
Yeah. My bad. That's Conqueror.
Uh,
He's
like
might be.
D.
He's one
Man,
of
I
the
don't even know about him.
Me neither.
I put him in
I
D.
forgot what he did, what he didn't do.
I just put him in D. Cause I know he was sick this one time. That Sakura's come help him. This nigga
he got bodied by Sasori in the beginning of Shippuden.
This nigga get an F because he didn't do much like at all.
Who is that?
That's
I can't even see who.
That was
I don't know.
Gaara's like second hand man.
Yeah, put him in F.
Yeah, he goes to F.
All he did was complain.
Alright, go ahead. Go ahead, put Sakura A. Go ahead, put Sakura A.
Yeah.
Nah, go ahead, put Sakura A.
Yeah.
Are you serious right now?
Hey, she's not that bad, bro.
Hey, serious?
Nah, no, Naruto would be dead multiple times if she wasn't there.
Exactly.
I don't care, boy.
Nah. It don't matter, bro. She can't. We can't be disrespecting. She did some good shit.
Who are those two?
Like niggas say she used to, but she's not.
Those are the guys who were with Shikamaru and what's his name?
Yeah, it's that one nigga and that one other nigga.
Like they use like water statues. D.
Yeah.
That's the torture nigga.
Torture? What?
You know the guy, like he also did like the
Ino's dead. Cause Ino's dead.
That's not
put him at D.
It is.
Nah,
put him at
this
D.
is Ino's dad.
That's the nigga who did the tuning exams.
Yeah.
The test version. The test part.
And then her, before she was fat,
yeah, she was a solid D, bro. Like,
no, she's like a D.
A D?
Or C.
Yeah, we're gonna say in the middle.
Got folded by
she used to be part of
Orochimaru.
Yeah.
This man died.
Cool though, so put him at A.
He died?
I give him B.
B.
He's cool. Put him out there.
Okay.
How he died?
He get a B.
Didn't he have like a little arc in the war? He had like a little backstory or something?
Yeah, with that one lady. I think she's in this. Well, yeah. And
why I put some unknown ass nigga at B?
Who? No, he is known. He was in Naruto, bro.
No, like who? What's his?
I think his name is Hayate Gecko.
Nigga, what?
He knows.
Like a little story.
I guess he's forgotten.
Put it at B.
Nigga, put a nigga at C. Hello.
Put the toothpick out.
Yo, there no.
B.
Jiraiya gets a whole S, right?
To our listeners,
S plus.
They're not basic anime fans who don't just watch Naruto. This is just what we're doing today.
This is Gamabunta.
Gamabunta? That's a B. A.
Hey, yo, these CPS guys going dummy.
Ino's dad.
I guess he get a C.
Yeah, you're right. Okay.
C, B.
C.
This is
Hey, but Shikamaru's dad get a B or A.
He got an A, bro. That's Sasuke.
That's my default. That's plus that default.
Choji's father.
Yeah, put a nigga at E.
Nobody, man.
E.
Put that fat nigga at E.
Wait, hold on. Opie, what's your opinion?
On Choji's dad?
Yeah.
D.
Marley?
E.
D?
Marley said E.
Yeah, E.
I guess he go to E.
Why are you saying my name though?
My bad. I don't know your name.
Not gonna lie, I'm not gonna not say y'all name. Hey, but Shino dad. Nigga, the way you say my name, grown ass man.
Shino dad, he had a whole E too.
Oh yeah, he get E too.
D.
I don't know whose father this is. This Neji's father?
Neji's dad?
Neji's dad or he not his dad?
I don't know.
Like,
they're twins. I just see, they're both C anyways.
Yeah.
His dad's probably
he sacrificed himself though.
Orochimaru though. Orochimaru like a B, you know.
He's an A.
He's an A. This is Gaara's father.
F.
F.
B. F. Yeah, F.
That was not a
He
D.
treated his son like Dookie. He treated his son like Dookie. Put him in F.
This is the nigga that fought Choji.
Yo, put all them niggas at E.
except for Kimimaro. Put Kimimaro at B.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I didn't know where
Kakashi
Kakashi
get S, right?
I didn't know where
Yeah,
S+?
I get. You get S+, you get S+.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I didn't know where you're going.
Kabuto?
Like a solid D.
Yeah,
Kabuto.
I get Kabuto, but he get a D.
And
You get a C.
Like a
Fuck
C
nigga Kabuto,
probably, yo.
weird ass nigga.
Yeah,
Weird ass nigga. Hate that nigga.
Hajirama, all the Hokage, like except for Tsunade, but all the Hokage get like this S++, right?
Yeah, of course that's not though. Yeah, of course that's
Yeah,
not.
of course not Tsunade, yeah.
Yeah. Put that bitch at B. At most.
I don't think the season there be for honest with you.
I didn't even know Sakura passed her. I was like, that's tough.
This is Tsunade's
What you mean, what the fuck?
boyfriend, I think. Not the
Oh,
boyfriend,
holy.
but he goes to like a D or so, yeah.
What wasn't he only in a flashback?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, put that nigga at D.
This is Tsunade's.
Put her at D2. Put her at D2.
Put her at D.
I know Itachi
My
goes
butt
to
I didn't know where you're going.
Yeah, he got a.
I didn't know where you're going.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, it's like that.
that's plus. Yeah, I guess.
Kisame, that's a solid
Kisame get an A. A B.
Marley.
Kisame went out a real nigga.
Why you hovering over F?
No, like
Exactly.
A B,
Fuck
like
you,
give me one. A B.
A.
Hey, give him an A.
Yes, sir.
A.
Yes, sir. See Marley spitting. Yes, sir.
Why Zetsu?
Zetsu.
Put that nigga at D. Yes, sir.
Black Zetsu.
Why is it?
Both
Yeah,
trash.
to C because like he
Nah,
didn't-
put that nigga at D. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That nigga weird.
Iruka Sensei gets at least a
You
B,
get
right?
an S.
S?
You get an S. Yes,
S?
sir.
That, yeah.
That nigga sold a port to the story. Yes, sir.
Sorcery?
Yeah.
B.
What that nigga do again?
He an F boy.
He lost to Sakura and like
He lost to
decided-
Sakura and Shino.
Damn, you saying like Sakura, like
Nah,
Sakura or
nah.
something.
I'm just saying. I'm just giving you points where he did. That was the first thing that came to mind, bro.
He's
He's
solid.
trash. Put him at F.
Opie, what you
He's
say?
a
Put a nigga at F. Useless.
Opie?
That
What about old lady?
nigga came in just to get dropped off.
I'll
Give me
put him-
C.
I'll put him in E. I'll put him in E.
All right.
Put a nigga. That nigga really came in just to get dropped off.
Data.
Deidara.
Like Dataro, he was working something. I'm not gonna lie.
Give him like
They don't get like a C.
Yeah.
He was working.
Let me see.
Nigga blew himself up.
She a B.
B.
She a
Lady Shield.
B.
Yes. I don't like how she goes saying things and
What
not it.
is this?
Who's
I
that?
forgot what this man is.
Ain't that ain't that
I
Uchiha?
don't even know.
Nah, I don't know. Like his eyes are like black and like looks like he got like a Tensei gun or some shit. I don't know.
Wish there was like an unknown like space.
Nah,
Put him at F.
we can get E though, cause he look important ish.
I don't know.
I'll put him in
We
E.
don't even know what he did. Alright, Obito, that's F.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Obito
It's Obito.
Obito
Go ahead, put
what?
Obito at B. Go ahead, put Obito at B.
That's simp, but like he's strong.
Yeah,
He's go ahead, put him at B.
okay.
Actually, I don't like how you were saying against Sonata either. That's kind of disrespectful to Obito.
That's true. We can put Tsunade
Put
in
him
C
in A
though.
then.
Yeah, go ahead, put Sonata at C.
Oh,
I
so
don't like how they.
Naruto get an E.
Naruto.
Yeah, Dado get a yeah.
Solid.
Fuck Naruto, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
That nigga got dropped off too.
Sai,
that's a C.
He okay. He a C.
Yamamoto,
That nigga got C too.
C.
You
or
B.
Nah, bro, give him a B at least. He was
B,
cool.
or
At least.
We
Hedon.
needed him.
I give Hedon an A.
Yeah,
Dropped up by R like that. I was like,
and he did stuff. Like,
That nigga died to a regular ass nigga.
He's still also. Who's that?
That's
what's his name?
I forgot the nigga
He
name.
like money.
Yeah, money ass nigga from Nikoski.
Like he died
Oh,
to Rasen
Put him at
Shuri.
F.
Yeah, Kaku.
Kakuzu.
Put him at F.
Oh,
Yeah,
he's
she died
Kaku.
from Kakashi. Yeah, she died from Kakashi. Ashley.
So put him in like B or something.
C.
C.
Seriously?
Look.
You don't get no S. You don't get no fucking S. Put a nigga at B.
What?
You know how fucking dirty he did Naruto. Fucking down.
Nah, bro, he S.
Yeah, S, bro.
He cool, bro. Chill.
He ain't not no S.
Bro, what you mean?
He
You
is.
do not like.
Yo,
he-
he did Naruto completely dirty. Yo.
Nah, he was protecting Naruto, bro.
Nigga, that's not protecting Naruto. Nigga was eating ramen all his life.
Because I love Robin, bro.
I think that's bad.
He was eating cup ramen and spoiled milk. That nigga was starving.
Like,
That nigga was lonely and starving.
he went in the woods with Naruto and started eating fish. That
Yeah.
was a real nigga.
He did that shit one time, yeah. He did that shit one time.
It's all
Good
good, bro. He
What you mean it's all good?
Yeah.
Naruto was how he is spoiled milk and eating ramen. All his
Right,
life.
equal. Calm
So,
down.
It's the same thing with Kakashi though, because Kakashi knew about it, but he didn't do nothing. So like,
Alright, who's next?
What Kakashi supposed to do? Nigga broke. Kakashi's fighting his own demons.
What's that man's name again?
I think it's all that S.
Sugetsu?
Yeah, Sugetsu.
Sugetsu. You a B.
Nigga B. Fuck you mean S.
I didn't say S.
Put Karin at
I said his name started with an S. Karin
Karin at
D.
Put that bitch at D.
Yes.
Yo,
Jugo?
my butt.
Put that nigga at D too.
Jugo? Yeah. He was he had anger issues for nothing.
No,
Nigga was mad. Nigga was mad.
Ren gets like a
Put her
C.
F. Put her F. 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 Put her F.
I hate it.
Fuck her.
Yeah.
We have to go.
It's plus.
It's plus.
This is what's his name? He was the poison nigga.
Oh, the poison nigga? Yeah, put him at E.
With the gecko?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, put him at D.
Lame ass nigga. Hey, put Kona at A.
A.
You get folded though?
You got folded by Obito.
I think I thought about
Okay, that's not bad.
Nagato.
Oh, she got folded Boto, yeah. Nagato deserves an S. I don't care.
S.
Yeah.
Nigga, S plus action.
We're at S plus. You already know that.
Oh, did I put Nagato? My bad.
You put a nigga at E for some reason. I don't know why.
It was a mistake.
No,
you know
S
where
plus.
you going.
No, Henry S plus.
You know where you going.
Madara S plus good.
Yeah.
Yeah, put Nagato S plus too. Why you at it? Because you made a mistake. Yeah, S plus, sir. Thank you.
I'm gonna put him in S plus because I made a mistake, bro.
Yeah. What you mean? Why you sound so confused?
Oh, pain.
It's A.
That's not Pain, nigga. That's
That's
Put him at A
Yagito.
though.
yeah, that's normal Yagato. Whatever his name is.
Yeah.
His name.
Harley said.
Armor?
Oh, she S.
Yeah, I know. He S. I mean, he did take out the Pain mount, so yeah, I guess. Yeah.
This is Kakashi's father.
S plus.
Yeah. C.
S plus.
Yeah, don't put that nigga at S or S plus. Put
You
that nigga
raised
at,
the
like,
goat,
B.
bro.
S or S plus.
He ain't
Like
raised
a
the
A,
goat,
bro.
bro.
Younger than
Died.
Nani.
What about A?
Nah,
What
but
about
Kashi
A?
was 5.
Okay, what about A? What about A, bro?
Yeah, A. There, A. Not no S though.
Yeah, A.
He raised. Kashi was alone most of his life. Nigga
Kushina?
died when he was young.
S. But Kushina S.
Yeah, I promise you, she not no S either.
She can be A too.
She A S. I should sing this to Sakura, but you know.
Alright, who's that?
That's an A tails. That's an A.
Yo, put him in B. Just for Killer B.
I think Killer Bees are the B2 for real. Think about it.
But it would be like an A though, right?
Nigga dude got a B in his name.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. We got I.
I don't even care about him.
Yeah, I don't think anybody really
Put
care
him
about
in
that nigga.
B. Put him in B.
E.
I-
She smacked Naruto. I don't know how I feel about her.
That's
Nah, you know what's
everyone.
crazy? You know what's crazy? Naruto would have dropped her off and Sakura ain't getting fucking shit donkey kick.
Yeah, put her at F. Put her at F.
F?
She got the dog shit. She got the dog shit kicked out
That's
of her.
Koji's wife. Put her a C or
I don't
D.
care. No, put her at F. I don't care.
Okay, let's compromise.
Put her E.
Let's
Put her
yeah,
E. Put her
E.
E.
This man kind of chilled, to be honest with
That
you.
nigga E too.
E? Look like a D,
Yes.
bro.
And no, put him in D. Put him in D. Put him in D.
Yeah,
Nigga,
Daru-
shot Sakura.
Put Darui at A.
Nigga, donkey kicked the shit out of Sakura.
Alright,
What's his
yeah.
name?
Put him at C.
C.
Put a nigga. Nah, he get an A.
A.
Yes.
Marley.
Okay.
All that. Nigga, all that.
I don't even know that.
I'll put it
The
there.
old man.
So we
He stopped
gonna
the
stop
meteor.
at two. That was two. He stopped 1 meter. Yeah.
This
Who's
man,
that?
He goes to like a E or a D.
Put that weird ass nigga at an E.
Yeah.
She like became the next Suki Mikari.
Yeah, go ahead, put her at
I
D.
don't care.
Go ahead, put her at D too. Put her
D.
at D too.
Put on.
That guy, he cool.
A.
Put him at A.
A.
Yeah, he's good.
He got beat by children at Barto though, but we're not talking about that.
Yeah, Boruto.
Nah, Baruto. That was I felt it, but that's not canon. But
Put him at D.
yeah,
He finally got
put
job.
that nigga D E F. I don't really care.
Who's that?
Put that nigga at E.
Yeah, C though.
C. C. He was
Yeah,
cool.
is
He was
he?
pretty cool.
Oh,
He's
And
not.
this man goes into A. Like,
Third
that
break
nigga,
time. Put him at
You got dropped up by a nigga named Naruto.
Hey, B.
Naruto's clone.
I guess B.
Yo, this COVID acting up.
You got blood on, bro?
Yeah, I think
Who's
so.
that? Put him at E.
Huh, niggas got corona, couldn't be me.
Gotta give you all the virus.
This are the twins with the Kurma stuff.
What you mean, y'all?
Yeah, I'm
Put him at C.
See?
Yeah, bro, I'm built different, not me.
Put the 6
Okay,
past
okay,
at S
I'm
plus.
gonna be the first one to die.
Yeah, don't put the 6 past at
S.
S plus, put that nigga at like S.
At
Like,
S plus. You don't know no S
put it
plus.
at S.
And
Hey, he came in clutch
Hey,
with the
Zabba's
power.
a S, yeah.
Zabba's an S.
Zabba's a S.
Alright, we done.
What?
Yeah, so we did all 100. That's wild.
Alright, stop recording.
And make sure you say this too.
Like, subscribe.
Yeah, RP. Yeah.
Yeah, like, subscribe.
Yeah.
Oh, you one of them niggas. You one of them niggas, huh?
Patreon.
You one of those.
We don't even got a
Patreon,
page. What are you talking about?